Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the very first episode of Mythbuster Mondays. And basically this segment deals with busting myths that are prevalent in the hair community. So the very first one that we're going to tackle is universally wrong. Everyone gets this wrong. Excuse me. And it is that cutting your hair makes your hair grow. No, it does not. If you've seen any of my Black Hair Care Series videos, then you know where hair growth starts, which is beneath the surface. The hair that grows out of your scalp, pretend like this is growing out the scalp. This hair is not alive. Cutting this has nothing to do with the hair beneath the scalp. So cutting your hair does not make your hair grow. It just prevents breakage, because split ends just continue to split up the hair shaft and break off. It promotes length retention because you're breaking off the hair that's, you're cutting off the hair that's eventually going to break off. So you're retaining your length, you're retaining the hair that does grow. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to try to keep the videos for this segment short and sweet. Hair growth starts in the hair follicle and the hair bulb. And cutting your hair has nothing to do with that. So yeah, cut your hair because you have split ends and they just break off and then make you bald head. And because nice, freshly cut, even hair looks nice and healthy. And that should be the goal, healthy hair. And if you want the goal to be long hair, then you need to keep up on your haircuts and trims. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and TTYL.